Hey everybody, welcome back to Epic Specials. Right, sorry it's been such a long time since you saw me last, but life's been a little bit busy lately and I just haven't had time to make any progress on anything. But as you can see, the DT is actually finally finished. There's one last job left to do, and that's to fit the rear chain. So we're going to do that today, and then other than a nice wash and a good clean up, it's all ready and all finished. Cool, so let's get cracking. Right, so this is the chain that came off the bike. It was fairly new on the bike anyway, so there's no need to replace it. It's not worn out. It just needs a clean. So we're going to use good old faithful thinners, scrubby brush, and I put the thinners in a little pot ledge to make it easier, and simply going to clean the frame up, clean the chain off with the thinners. You can see it works quite well. And when the chain is clean, then we will oil it back up with some engine oil, because the thinners obviously will strip any existing oil or chain wax off it. But we want to get it looking nice and clean, get rid of all the old road grime and stuff that would have stuck to it over time, and then oil it back up and it'll be as good as it can be. You get the idea. See you when it's clean. Right, so once you've cleaned your chain, hopefully you can see it's a bit shinier now, most of the muck off it. You want to lubricate it. Now I'm going to use some gearbox oil, 75/90. Don't have to use this, you can use engine oil, you can use chain wax, you can use chain lube. But I've got this, and it's a bit thicker than normal, and it's designed for gearboxes and transmissions, so it will be perfect for this job. Got a soft brush in a pot, because I want to go mad, and I'm just going to brush it in. You can do this when it's back on the bike, but I find it easier to do like this. Controls the mess. It's a horrible job anyway. The main place you want it is in all the rollers. So tip it up. I find doing it this way, you don't end up with too much on there that just ends up flinging off the first time you go for a ride and covering your bike in oil. That should do. Now to fit it on the bike. There we go. Chain all cleaned up, tensioned and refitted. I didn't film putting it on because it's a bit of a faff, and trying not to scratch anything, and I bloody did. Chipped the bloody rear swing arm, didn't I? I got a smudge on it. Oh well, that's what it is. That's it. The DT is complete. I will try and get it outside and give you a good look around it. So there she is, all done. Like I said, it still does need a final clean and a polish up, but other than that, it is finished and ready for its MOT. Right, so that's it for the DT series. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry it was dragged out and took a lot longer than I originally expected, but that's the way things goes. Right, unfortunately I won't be back to making regular videos. Still, life is very busy, lots going on, but I will make them when I can. So catch you again in the future. Take care. Cheers.